How to log in to Boeing Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Boeing Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down and navigate to this one website option, Boeing Employee Credit Union. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email address. Then type in your password. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, click on the option of trouble signing in, and with that your problem will be resolved. After you provide all the details, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Boeing Employee Portal. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.